Hi, I'm Rob from Sherpa Consultants, and I'm showing you in this series of videos how easy it is to create your own systems using the Sherpa Infinity application. Okay, in this lesson number 4, we're going to be looking at the notes and attachments functionality. So if we just have a quick look at what we're going to cover. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is have a general overview and remind ourselves of where we set these up on the notes and attachments functionality. Then what we're going to do is actually view some records with notes and attachments already in them so you can see where they go. And then lastly, we're going to create new notes and upload some new attachments to some existing records in our table. Okay, so if we go back into the Sherpa Infinity application, just as a reminder, we created in previous lessons a products and services table similar to the one I use to store every product and service that I sell as a business. Remembering back to lesson 1, when we created the original table, there were 2 tick boxes, one for notes and one for attachments, as to whether you wanted to include them. Now we ticked both of those, and I said at the time that it was gonna make more sense when we started to cover it in a future lesson. This is that lesson. So what we can do is once we have a record saved in the database, it is possible for us to add notes and attachments. So let's just look at what that looks like. So here in our consultancy hour 2017, if I edit that record by clicking on the edit icon, what you can do is it gives us our fields that we've created up at the top, which we've covered in the previous lessons, but it also now gives us 2 extra sections, one for notes and one for attachments. And you can see here I've actually added a couple of notes and I've uploaded an attachment to this particular record. So on the notes, if I wanted to add in a new note, I could just click on the plus icon over here and then just type in whatever it is you want to say about that particular record and then click on save. And you can see it adds it in. Now these are tables, these are list view tables, just like the other list views that we looked at in previous lessons, which means that we can sort by the date and things like that. So we can just apply all the same sorts and we can search as well. And you've got the page controls just like we looked at in lesson 3. So that's the notes, and that's really useful for sort of keeping a track record. So for example, my customers, I will, every time I have a conversation with them or maybe in negotiations or something like that, I will just add a note in to say where we're up to, who I've spoken to and what was covered and things like that. But you can pretty much use notes and attachments against any of the tables you want. Sometimes it isn't appropriate, but that decision's up to you whether you want to use them or not. Okay, so let's have a look at attachments now. So if I scroll down a little bit to the attachment section, you can see I uploaded just a spreadsheet I created. It's nothing really. It's just to prove how it works. You can see who's uploaded it, which users uploaded it, and what date and time they've uploaded. If you wanted to download this one, if you hover over it, you can see it's a link. So if I click on that, and what it'll do is it'll actually download it to my C drive, and then I can just click and open from there. Okay, so again, content doesn't matter. It's just an example spreadsheet I mocked up just to illustrate the point of attachments. Okay, and you can upload anything electronic. So if I wanted to upload a new file, I could just click on the plus icon. Okay, it's asking me to choose the files, so I can browse to my desktop, and you can see there is my spreadsheet, and I can click OK. Happy with that, and then upload. Okay, and you can see now I have 2 spreadsheets. To delete individual notes or spreadsheets, you can do the delete icon here. So let's just delete that one. And then also I can delete my duplicate spreadsheet there by clicking delete. And then I can click on the back icon to go back to my list view. Okay, that's it for notes and attachments. Just a quick video just to demonstrate that functionality. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the link at the end of the video to continue on to the next lesson, lesson 5. Okay, thanks and bye for now.